Delta-driven AI is one of the newest AI software releases making waves in the digital marketing world. And in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to get into AI, Delta-driven could very well change the way you approach automation, marketing, and even customer engagement. But is it the right tool for you? Stick around until the end to find out, and I'll also share how you can try it completely free from the first link below. Delta-driven AI is all about making complex tasks easier and more efficient with a level of simplicity that's hard to find in other software. Its intuitive interface allows you to jump right in without a steep learning curve. Whether you're running ad campaigns, automating emails, or handling customer support, Delta-driven gives you the power of AI without the headache of a complex setup. What's really impressive is its speed. Delta-driven AI is designed to boost productivity, delivering quick results when you need them most. It accelerates workflows by handling repetitive tasks that would otherwise eat up your time. That means more focus on strategy and creativity and less on mundane administrative tasks. If you're someone who needs fast turnarounds, Delta-driven can truly save you hours a week. One of the standout features of Delta-driven AI is its ability to adapt to your unique needs. Unlike other software that forces you to fit into predefined templates, this tool uses machine learning to understand your preferences and optimize based on how you interact with it. This means that as you use it more, the AI continues to improve, making your work even easier with time. It's a powerful example of AI becoming smarter as you go. Now let's talk about its marketing capabilities. Delta-driven AI integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM systems, giving you the ability to run targeted campaigns with ease. Its advanced data analytics tools can help you identify customer behaviors, track trends, and adjust your campaigns in real time. If you've struggled with finding the right tools to personalize your marketing efforts, this software might just be the solution you've been looking for. One feature that really stands out for digital marketers is the automated content creation tools. You can generate blog posts, ad copy, and even social media content with just a few inputs. The quality of the content is surprisingly high, which makes this a fantastic time saver for anyone working in content-heavy industries. Whether you're creating a campaign or crafting SEO-optimized copy, Delta-driven helps you cut down on hours of writing, and you get AI-generated content that's ready to go. Another big win is its scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large enterprise, Delta-driven AI can grow with you. Its flexibility means it can be tailored to fit your business's size and needs. This is especially important if you're planning to scale quickly, as you'll need a tool that can handle the increased demand without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Now, I won't say it's perfect. One area Delta-driven AI could improve is in its customer support. While they do have an extensive knowledge base and resources, some users have mentioned that getting live support can be a bit slow. That said, the software's ease of use makes up for this minor drawback, and as it grows, I'm sure they'll improve this aspect. If you're on the fence about trying Delta-driven AI, the good news is that you can start completely free with a trial linked below. This is a great opportunity to explore all the features and see if it's a fit for your needs. I've personally tried hundreds of AI tools, and I'm constantly on the lookout for the best solutions to help businesses grow faster, and Delta-driven AI is definitely worth checking out. So, to recap, Delta-driven AI is fast, scalable, and incredibly user-friendly. It'll save you time, improve your marketing, and adapt to your unique needs as you grow. If you're looking for a game-changing tool, this one has the potential to really make a difference. Try it for free from the link below, and don't forget to check out my other recommended AI tools in the description. After trying thousands of them, I've handpicked the best ones for you.